Hi, in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to put a background on our Facebook profile on our device. Let's go to Facebook and see how to do it. After we've opened Facebook, we need to go to the upper right corner, to the profile photo, or to the profile photo with 3 stripes. We go here, after which we go to our profile, and here we see the button Add Cover Photo. We click on it, after which we can select Create Avatar, Cover Photo, Upload Photo, Select Photo on Facebook, Create Cover Collage. Let's upload a regular photo first. Click Upload Photo, and here select any photo from your gallery. Or you can download a picture from the internet. Let's say I have such mountains. After which, I click on Save. I'm waiting for it to load, and so I've put such a beautiful picture on the header of our Facebook. You can also see this picture now. Create avatar. Let's create it. Choose any color. Let him be black. And with such a hairstyle. We continue and save. Save. We are waiting for it to load. Click on Next. Here we can choose in what position our person will be. Let's choose with a glass of beer. We can change the background. Let it be such a studio and click on Continue. You can also choose to share to feed. Save and wait it to load. Now we have this photo on our profile header. Let's see what else can be done. You can select a photo from Facebook. That is, from here you choose a photo that is saved in your Facebook account. Let's say you found some picture in the gallery or scroll through the feed and you saved it to your Facebook. And from here you can put it on your header. And you can also create a collage from photographs. Let's choose this and that. Click on Done. After that, we have saved these 2 pictures in our profile header. That's all. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and see you soon.